Hello everyone, in this video we will install Kali Linux operating system in VirtualBox. First of all, open your web browser and search Kali Linux download. Open the first link. And then click on Recommended, that is on the left side. Click on the Download button. It will start downloading. And then open New tab and search Microsoft Visual C++. Open the first link. And then click on third link. It will start downloading. Open New tab and search VirtualBox download. Open the first link. Click on Windows hosts. It will start downloading. I am canceling all the downloads because I have downloaded it earlier. And then install the Microsoft Visual C++. And then reboot your PC. After that, install the VirtualBox. And then open the VirtualBox. Click on New. Type Linux on the name box. Select the drive where you want to install the Linux. Select Debian 64. Click on Next. Select the RAM size and CPU core that you want to allocate FOT Linux. Select the drive space. Click on Next. And then click on Start. Select the ISO file of Kali Linux that you have downloaded. Hit the Enter. Select the language and region. Click on Continue. After that, it will start installing in your PC. You can skip the domain name. Type the full name. Click on Continue. Set the password. Click on Continue. Select the second option. Click on Continue. Hit Enter. Click on Continue. And you have successfully installed Linux in your PC. If you like my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for further updates.